Hey, what's going on, guys? Just another update. Putting the JTL intake on the Hemi. Upgrading it, see how it does. Read a bunch of reviews, sounds good. So we're gonna tear it apart and put it in. So going on the Durango. Here's the box it came in. It's got a pretty big intake. There's the filter, and then you got all the parts. It comes with colored instructions, and then right on the outside of the box, lifetime warranty, quality customer service. So I'll let you know how it goes. Let me turn it on, let you guys hear it prior to putting the intake in, so you see where it is, and then I'll have another portion of the video with the intake in. Alright, guys, just taking the cover off. The engine just pulls right off. Now we're gonna go ahead and start unbolting this bolt, intake bolt, and then we'll pull the box out. So I'm gonna get to it. Alright, so I got the bolts out, loosened the intake bolt and the intake bolt right there for the box. And we're just gonna go ahead and pull it out. I'm gonna disconnect the sensor, and the intake just comes right out. Put it right with the cover. But here you go, intake box out. Now we're just gonna take the actual filter box out. Should be really quick. The bolts are probably inside the actual box. So there's the top cover off. Disconnect the hose from the top cover. You just got these pop brackets right here that pop off the cover, and then here's the filter we're gonna pull out, and just looks like it pops right up. So let's see if I can get. And the box, you just pull it right out. Just make sure everything's not caught onto it. Unhook it from the. You just gotta unhook it from here. It's got a little tab right there. We'll just pop that off. There's the intake out. Box, whole intake's out. Like I said, there's a little tab that goes into the box. And then here's your factory intake. Alright, guys, got everything slid on. The new intake, JTL right in there. Literally just slide it on. I haven't bolted it down yet. And here's the intake box. And the only thing you gotta do is unscrew this bolt right here so you can screw it right into there. And then, as you can tell, everything bolts right up. Even this little green tab will clip right into that. So, pretty easy. Alright, it's in. Just gotta tighten everything up. The gasket, the little mounting bracket wasn't really made correctly. It didn't line up all the way, so I had to do some trimming to get to fit in there. And then doesn't look like this is mad. They should have put a hole here for the box, because you can see the original box is a little like bolt looking thing that sticks up. They should have put a hole so this is gonna snap in place, because it hits on this. I might have to cut it if it hits on the hood, depending on if it's not letting the hood close all the way. I might have to cut a hole so that the piece goes in there. Probably pull the gasket off the old one so it has a nice secure, no vibrations or anything. But see, everything's in. I'm just gonna bolt it up. One came loose, I'm just gonna slide it back in. Alright, it's in. I'll bolt it up. One thing I don't like is the sensor. IET sensor. It's just got a little plastic gasket. Kept popping in and out. They should have made it a little more user friendly. It just keeps popping in and out as you push it in, so you literally have to push it in on, put it on first before you do anything else. I did that last, so just got done doing it all. Everything's bolted up. Go ahead and start it up real quick. Alright, it's in. Put the cover on, we should be good, and let's just do a test close. Alright. Set up nice.